Before I get into the video, did you guys notice anything different? Yes, I cut my hair to a pixie cut. Let me know down below what do you think about this new look. I love it, okay? Now let's get back to this recipe. Today we're getting into this delicious honey Old Bay salmon. Now if you love salmon, this is about to be your favorite. It's so good, buttery, flaky, delicious, and it's done in less than 30 minutes. Let's jump right into this recipe. Guys, to begin, we're going to pat dry our salmon. I'm using a salmon fillet here, as you can see, skinless. Make sure you pat it dry really good. Now this is a preference. I like to cut the thin part of the salmon just so it can look presentable. You don't really have to, but and then I'm going to fillet it like this. Okay, somewhat the same size, something like this. Perfect. Now we have our salmon nice and ready. Now we're going to drizzle some olive oil to our salmon. Rub it in just like this, and then you can go in with your seasoning. Lemon, pepper, parsley. I'll leave everything below for you guys. And if you air frying this, maybe on 380 for about, I'll say 15 to 20 minutes. And don't forget the side as well. Now that the salmon is nicely seasoned, we're going to allow it to sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to pan sear it, just so the seasoning can really melt in there. Now we're going to pan sear the salmon. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to my cast iron on medium-high heat, okay? You don't want to saute the salmon. So just add a little bit of oil. Now we're going to add in our salmon. Looking good. Carefully just place it in there. We're going to cook it for about 4 minutes per side, okay, until they're nice and golden brown. It is time to flip over my salmon. Oh, they look really good. I'm going to flip that one over carefully. Love that color, that blackened color. I love that. Just flip it over, allow it to cook for another 4 minutes, then we'll remove it to set it aside. All right, now time to take it out. As you guys can see, the salmon is looking beautiful. Carefully take it out so you don't break it. And then we're going to make the sauce. Ooh, yes, take a good look. Looks amazing. Let's make the honey Old Bay sauce. So you're going in with some butter. Now I'm going in with the honey. I'll have the measurement below for you, of course. Give it a stir just like so. And also this is where the magic happen, okay? We're going in with some Golden Bay seasoning from Island Vibe Cooking. Now you can grab any brand of Old Bay seasoning, but this is from my website. You can get it on islandvibecooking.com. Add a little bit of that in there. Give it a mix. Ooh, you smell the aroma. If you want, honestly, you can squeeze some lemon juice in here. But honestly, oh, smells so good. The sauce is pretty much done. You're going to reintroduce your salmon back in there, just like this. Look at all that sauce from the salmon. And now you baste the salmon just like this. Ooh, amazing. Baste it with that butter Old Bay sauce. And your salmon is done. Just baste it just like this. And your salmon is done. Now if you have some asparagus, some whatever veggies you have, you can just add it into this sauce after you remove your salmon. And now it's ready to be plated. Look how flaky. When I say flaky, this is what I mean, okay? Listen, look how flaky. If only you guys can see my plate, the way I'm about to devour this salmon. I'll post a picture on my community page so you guys can see. I have some corn, some asparagus, sweet potatoes, some white rice to go along with this, okay? Amazing combo. So now let's try it. Instantly, you taste that Old Bay, that sweetness from the salmon, and then you start chewing some more. You get all that flavor from the onion powder, garlic powder. I'm telling you, this is amazing, okay? I hope you try it out. Let me know down below how you're going to pair this. Like I said, I will post a picture to give you guys some inspiration on what to pair this with, okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have not done so already. Subscribe if you're new here. I would love for you to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.